Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Steno. Today I am going to dictate you a wonderful dictation. So get ready students, start. The principle of alternate remedies and its exceptions was also reiterated recently in the decision of Assistant Commissioner of State Tax versus Messrs Commercial Steel Limited Civil Appeal number 5121 of 2021. In the judgment of State of HP versus Gujarat Ambuja Cement Limited within bracket 2005 bracket close 6 SCC 499, the SC has held that a writ petition is maintainable before the HC if the taxing authorities have acted beyond the scope of their jurisdiction. Stop para. In the judgment of the case Executive Engineer versus Sitaram Rice Mill within bracket 2012 bracket close 2 SCC 108, the SC has observed, it is argued, and to some extent correctly, that the SC should not decline to exercise its jurisdiction merely for the reason that there is a statutory alternate remedy available even when the case falls in the above stated class of cases. Stop para. It is settled principle that the court oblique tribunal will not exercise jurisdiction in futility. The law will not itself attempt to do an act which would be vain, lex nil frustra facit, not to enforce one which would be frivolous. The law will not force anyone to do a thing vain and fruitless. Stop para. In other words, if exercise of jurisdiction by the tribunal ex facie appears to be an exercise of jurisdiction in futility for any of the stated reasons, then it will be permissible for the HC to interfere in exercise of its jurisdiction. The issue is no longer res integra and has been settled by a catena of judgments of the HC. Stop para. The appellant is admittedly a sugar mill producing electricity from bagasse within bracket a byproduct of sugar production bracket close. The electricity that is produced is used for running the mill and the excess is sold to Bihar State Electricity Board within bracket BSEB bracket close. The writ petition filed by the appellant was dismissed by the impugned judgment. This petition, along with the other one filed by the NTPC before the Patna SC, challenged the power of the state government to levy tax on sale of electricity to electricity boards. Stop para. The test which requires to be applied for the determination of a question of law is whether the rights of the parties before the court can be determined without reference to the factual scenario. In this case, the SC was interested with the determination of the meaning of the phrases used in Section 3 of the Act to determine if the supply of electricity by the appellant would fall within the ambit. Unlike a dispute on the execution of a promissory note or a plea of adverse possession, there is no adjudication on facts required here. There is also no dispute about the nature of the transaction involved. Stop para. The issues raised by the appellant are questions of law which require, upon a comprehensive reading of the Bihar Electricity Act, a determination of whether tax can be levied on the supply of electricity by a power generator within bracket which also manufactures sugar bracket close to a distributor, and whether the first respondent within bracket state of Bihar bracket close has the legislative competence to levy duty on the sale of electricity to an intermediary distributor in view of the decision of the SC in the case State of AP versus National Thermal Power Corporation Limited within bracket 2002 bracket close 5 SCC 203. The questions raised by the appellant can be adjudicated without delving into any factual dispute. Thus, the present case is amenable to the writ jurisdiction of the HC. Stop para. The SC has stated that the SC erroneously declined to entertain the writ petition and it would be appropriate to restore the proceedings back to the HC for a fresh disposal. The Supreme Court has left the case open for fresh evaluation by the HC. The SC has allowed the appeal, set aside the HC's judgment of September 18, 2017 and restored the case to the file of the पटना हाई कोर्ट. स्टॉप फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.